Now we're ready to go ahead and install the code inside of our squeeze page template. So what we're going to do at this point is we're going to go ahead and grab the very first piece of code, which says the control and tracking script. Now this is asking, paste the following script immediately after the opening head tag of your page's original source code. So you might not know what that means. All you got to do is go ahead here and copy this. All right, and I'm going to tell you exactly where to put it. This is the very first one. So you're going to come in here and you're going to look for the very first page we wanted to edit. So the very first page, the squeeze page here, you're going to put this into the tracking code box where it says off. You're going to make sure this is turned on, and you're going to paste it in and hit the Save Settings button. Okay. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and move over to our optimizer again. And let's see. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the next box, no variation pages. This tracking script is going to go on all 3 pages inside that tracking space. So go ahead and click the copy button. We're going to go back over here where we originally pasted our first section, and we're going to paste this below that. So you want to scroll down to the very end and go ahead and hit the enter key once or twice and paste that in just below that. Hit the Save Settings button, and that'll save that one. Then you're going to jump over to your split test page. And split test 1 that we set up, you're going to mark this tracking code as on. You're going to click paste and hit Save Settings. Split test number 2, we'll do the exact same thing, mark it as on, paste, Save Settings. Split test number 3, on, paste, and Save Settings. Okay, pretty easy, right guys? We got one more step to go. Next thing we're going to want to do is put this code here on our conversion page. So you're going to want to copy this. Now this basically says put this on immediately after the opening head tag on your conversion page's source code. So basically it's saying put this on this page here, the thank you page. So in order for us to get it on the thank you page, we want to go back over to our dashboard that's located right here. Go to our thank you page settings, and this is where we're going to actually connect up the HTML. Now there's a little link here at the top that says HTML. You're going to want to click that button, and we're going to hit the enter key a couple times just to move everything down. And we're going to paste that conversion code right there. All right. This stuff here at the top won't show up because it's commented out, but Google will see it. Go ahead and click on the update button and scroll down and hit Save Settings. If it ever comes up that you didn't, if it says that something's not validated, you might forgot to set the Save Settings button. So make sure that you've done that. And once that's finished, we go down here to hit Validate the Pages. And Google will say if everything looks good. And right now it says that everything looks like it's complete. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click the Continue button. And Google's going to ask us if we'd like to preview and start our experiment. You can preview the experiment if you like to, or you can click on each of these pages to see where everything kind of shows up. We got everything set up, so we don't need to really preview it. You can recheck the pages, which I kind of recommend maybe to do. Let's go ahead and click this button just to double check absolutely everything. Validate pages one more time. Or if you've made any changes, of course, you want to always recheck the pages. So let's bounce backwards here, back to that page. And we're going to go ahead and click the button that says Start Experiment. Once you start experiment, you should be able to start seeing conversions within a matter of 24 hours. It doesn't take that much time. I mean, at least conversions that you can start to quantify. This says here that your reports will be available in 2 to 3 hours from now. So after you've got this conversion code set up, all you need to do is start sending traffic to your website, and you should start to see the reports. Okay? There's a lot of really good tutorials on YouTube. If you just went over to YouTube itself, and you can click on, at the very top, you can just type in installing or just Google Optimizer, better yet using Google Optimizer, and we'll see what kind of tutorials come up. There's all kinds of tutorials how to use multivariate tools, split testing, boosting conversion rates. Some really good tutorials here on YouTube. So you can just pop over to YouTube whenever you get the chance, and you can watch some of those videos if you really want to get in the conversion stuff. So that pretty much concludes the conversion setup. If you have any problems or any questions, again, review the tutorial a few times. Definitely a few times before calling or contacting us. And there's plenty of tutorials out there on how to get this done. Okay? Shouldn't be too difficult. You probably miss a step if there's a problem. Otherwise, happy conversions.